Hello, everybody. Isamu Sushi here. And just FYI, this will be pre-recorded. We're not going to release these videos until everybody in the lock sport community that paid for one receives theirs and has a chance to check it out first. And then everybody can do their reveal release all at once, so that everybody in the lock sport community kind of has an equal chance, since we all pitched in. Now we got to give Pocket Woman P-Dubs a big, huge thank you, and Lady Locks, huge thank you to both of them. This would not have happened without them. There are also other people involved. I don't know everybody that made this happen. So thank you to you all if you were involved with this project. Oh, nice. So this is my Parky Memorial Lock. Solid brass shackle. There's L bar. I think that's to make it key retaining. Lockton, there's the 4 keys. Oh, 2 blanks and 2 cut keys. And for the reveal, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Puck Parkinson's. Now, we'll be getting a heart logo sticker that will fit on our lock there. Sorry, I had to grab something real quick. So those will probably be sent out later. There was a lot going on, so either I missed it in the package, I'll find it, or we'll get those later on. So that will be oh, it's not on here, duh. But there you can see Puck Parkinson's in honor of Parky. He loved brass padlocks. And we got solid brass, laser etched, with your brass shackle. Oh my gosh, that is so smooth. I'm not going to pick it or anything. I'm not feeling well. I just got home from work, but I couldn't wait any longer. I had to get this open and get it in my hands. And you can see why. Thank you so much, Pocket Woman and Lady Locks, and everybody else that made it happen. The laser etching, the brass shackles, ordering the locks, everything. Thank you so much. I'm going to cherish that forever. We all will. I miss you, Parky. R.I.P. Thank you again, Pocket Woman and Lady Locks, and Mrs. Parky as well. I'd like to send out my condolences in regards to you as well. Wish I got to know him better. Thank you for checking it out, everybody. Have a great day. Take care of each other. We're all human, and we never know when our time's up. So let's take care of each other. Bye-bye.